Guys, welcome back to another video, and it's about 6:40 something in the morning, 39 degrees. We are doing a cold start video on his Chevrolet. So, let's get to it. Fudge. I did. I said fudge. Fudge.
The windows are iced over.
That's just wet. Huh?
The engine.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Engine.
I'm gonna show them it starting up.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. It's cold out here, guys. Woo!
Boom! 39-degree weather starts right up.
You can't beat that.
No.
Huh?
Heck no.
39 degrees outside, then it fired right up. And here's like it is. Does that sound different right now?
A little bit. Guys, thank you for watching this video. This video will be named Cold Start 39-degree weather. Guys, we will see you later. Bye-bye.